Hi guys, it's Miss Carosa. In case you missed it, this is Tuesday Algebra 1 review. So what we're doing today is we are reviewing graphing basics. Okay, so to start with, the y-axis, which is the up, down, or the vertical axis, is the red line here. I'm going to label it y, just so you guys can see it. Right? Down a smidge, y. Okay, and obviously this is also y. All right, and the green line here, which goes left to right, that is the x-axis. Okay, so I'm going to label it x. So x and y-axis, right? So vertical and horizontal. All right, so my other thing that I want to review is how you plot and find the values of points. Okay, so I have to make sure that I'm counting starting from the origin, which is 0, 0. But I also have to make sure that I don't count on the origin. I count up or down from it, or away, right and left from it. Okay, so if I want to look at point A, I have to make sure that I am counting up the x value first. So A, if you're looking, is 1, 2 spaces to my right. So I'm going to put in an ordered pair as the 2 as the x value. And then I have to go up to hit the A. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the y coordinate of that would be 6. Okay? Because both of these values are positive, we would write this as an xy, where both are positive. And this is in the positive quadrant. We call that quadrant Roman numeral I or 1. Okay, looks like the letter I. Okay, now if you look at coordinate point B, again, we're gonna go left, which is different from what we did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paces to the left. Because left is negative, this is negative 7. Oh, I miscounted. Let's fix that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops. Over here. So sorry, that's a 6. Okay? And I have to go 1, 2, 3 up. And because I'm still going up, that is a positive 3. So if you look, my x value is negative. My y value is still positive. Okay? This is quadrant Roman numeral 2. Okay, same thing for C. To the left, negative 2. Down, also negative 2 because we're down. So in this quadrant, both coordinate points are going to be negative. Okay, this is obviously quadrant 3. You notice we are working counterclockwise. So obviously this is going to be quadrant 4. Looks like an IV. You would just say 4. See? 4. Beautiful. And adjust. So D is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative because it's down. So this is a positive x and negative y coordinate point. Okay, the only other tricky ones are ones that are on the x or y axis. Okay, so if you notice point E here, I move 1 to the right, but I don't go up or down. So this is 0.10. And if I put another point down here, I'm going to label this point F. And if you notice, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down, but I didn't go left or right, so my x coordinate is 0, and this is negative 8 because I went down. All right, hopefully that helps you guys with tonight's homework on IXL. Don't forget to complete the classwork and the homework in your IXL links today. Also, if you did not turn in your diagnostic, please turn that in. All right, have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.